I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at my Amazon Basics AAA batteries. So, especially if you have kids and you're putting a lot of batteries into toys and things, you're going to go through them fairly quickly. And I like that with the Amazon Basics, you can get quite a large number of batteries in a pack if you want to. And these are just a really good, high quality 1.5 volt AAA battery. Standard batteries, those will work in anything that's a AAA. And importantly, you can see that these are alkaline batteries. So usually that's what modern electronics call for. So again, you can use them in kids' toys. You can use them in anything like a TV remote, any kind of item that needs a AAA battery. These are a great option. I also like that these batteries have quite a long shelf life unused. So you can feel very comfortable buying them, in a big pack. And you'll get through them over time. So this one, for example, I'm looking at this in 2022. It does not actually expire until December of 2031. So you can store these for quite a long while, and just have AAA batteries available whenever you need them. Get a big pack or get a small pack and be ready to go. And even if you keep these for a while and just have them in your closet or whatever in your garage, they are going to last quite a long time, so they're always there and ready for you. So again, that's the Amazon Basics AAA batteries, just a really good replacement battery, and I especially like them for all those changes of battery you have to do for kid stuff.